AccountMate Enterprise sports an entirely different user interface compared with our other product lines. In addition to the updated icons, you get ribbon items, tabs that you can dock or undock, and so much more. Let me give you a preview of some of the powerful features in our AccountMate Enterprise product line. Let's start with my favorite feature, the Report Designer. The Report Designer is included as part of the System Manager. The Report Designer is AccountMate Enterprise's report writer. You can create your own custom report or modify any of the existing AccountMate reports. You can also assign a default printer to any of the standard reports, edit the layout, or add your own sort option and filter criteria, all without writing a single line of programming code. Now let's get started talking about the Consolidation Enhancement. So how did AccountMate enhance consolidation in AccountMate Enterprise? Let's go to my illustration so you can see the power of this design. For our consolidation example, you have Company 1, which is a subsidiary company, and Company 2, which is also a subsidiary company. These two are subsidiaries of one parent company, or the consolidation company. That's the typical relationship in terms of consolidation. But AccountMate Enterprise takes it one step further. The parent company, which is our consolidation company, can now be a parent and at the same time a subsidiary company to another parent company. In that instance, basically it can be a subsidiary of another parent company together with an entirely different company that has no interaction or no relationship with other subsidiaries, Company 1 or Company 2. Furthermore, a subsidiary of one parent company, remember our Company 2, which is a subsidiary of Company 3, can also at the same time be a subsidiary of another parent company. And of course, that parent company, together with an entirely separate entity, can be subsidiaries of another parent company. So flexible. There are tremendous efficiencies and power in the new consolidation design and features available in the AccountMate Enterprise. Let's go back to our application and talk about the next enhancement, which is Statistical Batch Entity. You can create statistical accounts or statistical codes to keep track of non-monetary values. One example is your company's employee headcount. You can post journal entries to keep track of the headcount per department or per division in your company. Next up, we have historical restatement. Historical years in AccountMate are those years that are before your prior year. So for example, you have 2019 as your current fiscal year and 2018 as the prior year. Anything before 2018 is considered a historical year in AccountMate. Now let's say you need to post a correcting entry for historical years. You can do that. The beauty of this enhancement is that it does not only post your correcting entry to historical years, AccountMate will also take care of adjusting the beginning balances for succeeding years. For example, if you post a correcting entry in 2016, then the system will take care of adjusting the beginning balances for 2017 and 2018. Now let's talk about inventory. In AccountMate Enterprise, we now support enhanced cycle counting. So you can identify or configure the interval or frequency of the cycle count. Then you will have your ABC analysis in order to categorize your items based on usage costs, usage quantity, total cost, or average cost. There are more enhancements regarding physical counts. An AccountMate solution provider can provide those details. Next is customer maintenance. Your customer record can now also be a vendor record. Once you create the link designating that the customer record is also a vendor in the system, when you apply payments in the Accounts Receivable module, You have the option to offset your AR invoices against any invoices that you have for that vendor, so you don't have to do all those manual entries anymore. Let me wrap up by showing you that AccountMate Enterprise ships with an ISO-based currency code. For those of you who deal with multi-currency, you don't have to manually create the currency code records. All you need is to activate the currency code you want to use in transactions. I hope these features get you excited to learn more about the AccountMate Enterprise product line. Go to www.accountmate.com/demo to fill out an information form. One of our AccountMate solution providers will follow up with you to answer questions or give you a tailored demonstration. Thanks for viewing this video. We look forward to hearing from you.